Bangladesh has been facing the challenges of fourth industrial revolution with other countries of the world, and it is the time how we can face these challenges. The differences of fourth industrial revolution with the other revolutions, first, second and third, is that in these revolutions we don't know where the society will go. Even we cannot imagine how this planet will be changes. So to overcome the challenges which we experienced through these fourth industrial revolutions, we need to enhance our education, our research and our innovations, and also to have the new ideas. Without these new ideas or innovation or quality education, we cannot solve these problems. And Bangladesh actually needs this, otherwise Bangladesh will be lagging behind. But for this case, UGC, University Grants Commission of Bangladesh, has been working very hard with the other universities, both the public and private universities, and also the industries, how we can enhance our education systems, how we can address the new challenges, and how we can collaborate with the industries, and how can we customize the ideas and innovations. For this case, University Grants Commission has encouraged the research in the public universities and also private universities. With the help from the Ministry of Education and also the guidance from our Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu, daughter Sheikh Hasina, University Grants Commission enhanced the research in the public and private universities. And for this case, we like to organize the different seminars, symposium, and also the workshops. In this line, fourth industrial revolutions, this conference, the International Conference on Fourth Industrial Revolutions and Beyond 2021, has been organized by University Grants Commission of Bangladesh with the collaboration with Ministry of Education and other organizations. And we hope the researchers from different organizations, universities, from home and abroad will come here, and they will exchange their innovation, their ideas and their research outcomes. With this exchange, we will able to know how these challenges will be changed and what will be the future course of action. I hope this conference will give us a light, and with this light, Bangladesh will go ahead and to overcome all the challenges, because we are committed to achieve the Sustainable Development Goal. We are also committed to achieve our dream in 2041, and also we are committed to achieve our 100 years Delta Development Goals also. I strongly believe that with the outcome of this fourth industrial revolution conference, Bangladesh will find the way to build a country, Sonar Bangla, which was dreamed by the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, under the leadership of his daughter, the Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. And we will able to see the leadership of this country in the era of fourth industrial revolution around the world.